Food in sign language. Matumbo. How do you say matumbo? Matumbo. Small intestine and then gills. Matumbo. 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 Water. How do you say water? Water. 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 Wine. How do you say wine? Wine. 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 Whiskey. How do you say whiskey? Whiskey. 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 Soup. How do you say soup? Soup. 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 Tea. How do you say tea? Tea. Tea. The way you stir it when you add sugar. Tea. Tea. Coffee. How do you say coffee? Coffee. 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 Kitchen. How do you say kitchen? Kitchen. Kitchen. Letter K, you cook with letter K. Cook. Kitchen. You say cook with letter K. Kitchen. 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 Cook. How do you say cook? Cook. 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 Menu. Menu. How do you say menu? Menu. Menu. Food dentist. Menu. Menu. Recipe. Recipe. How do you say recipe? Food prepare. Food prepare. Recipe. 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 Roast. How do you say roast? Roast. 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 Pork. Pork. How do you say pork? Pork. 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 Mokimo. How do you say mokimo? Mokimo. 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 The way you mash it. Mokimo. Mokimo. Githeri. How do you say githeri? Githeri. 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 Tea picking. Tea picking. Tea picking. Tea picking. Tea picking. Cabbage. How do you say cabbage? Cabbage. 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 Pumpkin. How do you say pumpkin? Pumpkin. 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 Spinach. How do you say spinach? Spinach. 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 Avocado. How do you say avocado? Look at it. Avocado. 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 Banana. How do you say banana? Banana. The way you peel it. Banana. Banana. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again in the next video.